So today in programmation, we've been studying about advanced things. No, that's the name of the book, the chapter, uh, advanced subjects. And now we're going to be talking about compiling programs with different um, source files, right? So I've made a little example here. So we have our main function over here. It's called Python from Pythagoras, Pythagoras. And we have three floats, A, B, and C. This is a global one, but that was just because of a test. And I'm asking for the first side and the second side, a cathode, a catet. I don't know how you say that. And I will find the hypotenuse. And so given these two sides, I give you the hypotenuse. And that's easy thing. But now we're going to be using functions. I could write the function like down here where the mouse is, but we're trying to do it in a more advanced way. And also it's more organized. So what did I do? First, I did a header file that has only the prototypes, has only the function prototype. That's the first line of our functions, and the functions are written in other files. We have the Pythagoras, and I note I have to include stdio and math.h, both of these, or else it won't work, right? Because it needs to know what's printf, what's power, what's square root, right? I had a difficult time trying to understand why it wasn't working. And also we did this message that's going to say something here. And we did, and it worked, but you have to like compile them all together. That's right, and I do the out. Cathode side 1 is 3, side 2 is 4. That's very famous. No other should be 5. And then I said valeu. It's just like bye. And the side is 1, and the side 1 is 3. And so how did I do that? How did I pull that one off? Here on the Python main, I set it A, which is the first side, was global. So I can use that global variable in my function here message, because I use this external float. So I said that in some function Pythagoras, and I can use that float that is in one in one file and from another file. They are separate files, but I can I can link them. And the same thing with the function. I put on Pythagoras that float d4, right? And I came here and used it on message. I can find that because they are on the same file, this Pythagoras, right? And yes, so that's basically it. All right, so yep, that's it. Let me show. Here's how he uses it. External int flag, and and if we use static, like we see that I'm using a, right? If here in Pythagoras main, I would write like static a is going, there will be a problem. You see, no reference to a. And if I don't want to change, I can write const a, right? But yeah, that's it. Very good.